We can look at one more problem. So using dominance property, solve the game using dominance property. First I am going to check whether the game having saddle point or not. For that, row minimum 8, 8, 12. Among the row minimum, which is the maximum, this is the maximin value, and column max. Column maximum 13, 12, 14, 14. Among the maximum value, we need to choose the minimum. This is the minimax value. This is the minimax value. So, maximin is equal to minimax. The game having saddle point and value of the game is 12. Strategy A having strategy 3, that is 0, 0, 1, and strategy of B using the second 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay. Now the same problem can be solved using dominance. If the question asking you solve the problem using dominance property, you need to solve the problem using only dominance property. Okay, this is for checking whether your answer is right or not. So I am going to apply dominance property. First I am going to write the question. 8, 10, 9, 14, 10, 11, 8, 12, 13, 12, 14, 30. This is the question. First I am going to check row dominance. For that we need row total. Row total values 41, 41, 52. Among which is the highest? 52. Now I am going to compare 52 with the lowest row total. Since it is tie, I am taking the first row first. R1, R2, R3, or 1, 2, 3, whatever you require you can write that. So I am going to compare R3 with R1. 13, 8 lowest, 12, 10 lowest, 14, 9 lowest, 13, 14 highest. Now dominance. Then I am going to compare with row 2. 13, 10 lowest, 12, 11 lowest, 14, 8 lowest, 13, 12 lowest. So we need to delete lowest row since it is row dominance. So R2 is dominated by R3. There is no row dominance between R4 and R1. Then I am going for column dominance. For that we need to write the reduced matrix 8, 10, 9, 14, 13, 12, 14, 30, R1, R3, C1, C2, C3, C4. Column total 21, 22, 23 and 27. Here we need to choose the lowest and compare it with the highest total. So I am going to compare C1 with C4. 8, 14 is having the highest. 13, 13 equal. Greater than or equal to or less than or equal to is the condition. So 8, 14, 13, 13 which need to be deleted. Highest column value, that is C4, need to be deleted. And write C4 is dominated by which one? C1. Then again compare C1 with the next highest total, that is 23. 8, 9 it having the highest. 13, 14 both values highest is C, column 3. So C3 is deleted, and write C3 is dominated by again C1. Then compare C1 with C2. 8, 10 it having the highest, 13, 12 it having the lowest. So there is no column dominance in between C1 and C2. Now we are going to again check for row dominance in the reduced matrix. This is a reduced matrix. 8, 10, 13, 12. This was for R1, this is R3. Okay, this is C1 and C2. Now again row total is 18 and 25. Among the row total we need to take the highest and compare it with the lowest. 13, 8 it having the lowest, 12, 10 it having the lowest. So we need to delete the lowest, and R1 is dominated by R3. Then the reduced table is 30, 12. C1, C2, column total 13, 12. Lowest column compared it with the highest, 12, 13. This is the highest, so delete the highest and write C1 is dominated by C2. The value of the game is 12. So value of the game is 12. Strategy: row having R3, that is only third having the value. So others are 0, 0, 1. B having only C2, that is 0, 1, 0, 0. Since it is positive, A wins the game. So far we have discussed two problems using dominance property, both the problems having saddle point. Now we can look at another question which does not having a saddle point. It's a question: solve the game whose chaos matrix is given by question is given, and check for saddle point. When I am checking saddle point, its maximum value does not equal with minimax value. That is, the game doesn't having a saddle point. So now we are going to reduce it into 2 by 3. If the game having no saddle point, only method we know is to solve the game using probability method. Am I right? So probability method can be applied only to 2 by 2 matrix. That is, the payoff matrix should have only 2 rows and 2 columns. Here it having 3 rows and 3 columns. So we need to reduce this 3 by 3 matrix into 2 by 2 using dominance property. Okay, so we are using dominance property here now to reduce this 3 by 3 matrix into 2 by 2 matrix. For applying row dominance, we need to first row total. Okay, we need to find out the row total. So the total 10, 15, 12. Among this, which is the highest? 15. It need to be compared with the lowest. So I am going to compare A2 with A1. 6, 1. This is the lowest. 2, 7. This is the highest. So there is no dominance between A1 and A2. Now I am going to compare this with this value. Okay. So 6, 5. This is the lowest. 2, 1, this is the lowest. 7, 6, this is the lowest. So we can delete the lowest row. So A3 is dominated by A2. Now the reduced matrix is 1, 7, 2, 6, 2, 7. That is B1, B2, B3 and A1, A2. This is the reduced matrix. Now I am going to apply column dominance. For that we need to find the column total. 7, 9, 9. Among these we need to choose the lowest. This is the lowest. I am going to compare it with the highest column total. Since it is a tie, I am going to take the first 9, B2 first 9. Okay, 1 7, it having the highest. 6 2. So here it is highest, here it is lowest. So there is no dominance between B1 and B2. I am going to compare B1 with B3. 1 2, it having the highest. 6 7, it having the highest. So we need to delete the highest. It is B3 is dominated by B1. Actually the matrix is reduced to 2 by 2. Once again we will check whether it can be reduced to a single value. This is A1, A2, this is B1 and B2. Row total for checking row dominance 8, 8. So both same value. I will take R2 and compare it. 1 7 lowest, 2 7 highest, no row dominance. 1 7 6 2, there is no column dominance and row dominance, so matrix is reduced to 2 by 2. In this 2 by 2 matrix we are going to apply probability method. Now we are going to find out the oddments. For row 1, the difference between row 2, 6 minus 2, that is 4. For row 2, the difference between values in the row 1, 7 minus 1, that is 6. Similarly, column dominance also, 7 minus 2, 5, 6 minus 1, 5. Then probability, 4 divided by 6, 6 plus 4, that is 4 divided by 10 and 6 divided by 10. Here 5 divided by 5 plus 5, 5 divided by 10 and 5 divided by 10. When the value of the game is equal to 7 into 4 plus 2 into 6 divided by 6 plus 4. 7 into 4 plus 2 into 6 divided by 6 plus 4, that is 28 plus 12 divided by 10. 28 plus 12 is 40 divided by 10. Answer is 4. Value of the game is 4. Okay, value of the game is 4. And strategy, A having strategy for A1 and A2. A3 doesn't having strategy. So A1 and A2 having the strategy 4 by 10, 6 by 10. A doesn't use the strategy 3. A3 doesn't use, so that is 0. B uses strategy B1 and B2. B3 is not used by B. So 5 by 10, 5 by 10, 0. This is a strategy of B. Who wins the game? A wins the game, since the value of the game is positive.